Hi friends, welcome to JustWise YouTube business channel. We are accounts bookkeeping business based in Queensland, Australia. Today we are going to do analysis to find best business bank account for small to medium business. Please find disclaimer on screen. This video is only for educational purposes and not a financial advice. Few points before we start. This video is not sponsored, industry specific, not for profit structures and trust accounts. Banking is not included. This video is only suitable for small to medium business banking needs. Following banks on the screen has been researched. All the middle column banks and credit unions does not provide business banking services. We have selected banks based on that they have more than 60 physical bank branches in Australia and they offer merchant banking services. This filter leaves us with the following banks on screen. Banking services on screen are considered in this video. We have filtered some banks out from remaining. Please find reasons to filter on screen. I have attached evidence to filter these banks. NAB has some excessive charges. Bendigo charge higher fees on accounts. IMB Bank has only 90 physical branches. Average monthly balance of 5,000 and 160 per month fees for debit card. This filter will leave us with following banks, namely Westpac, Bank of Queensland, Commonwealth Bank and Suncorp Bank. Point-based method is used to compare all banking services considered, where 1 is low, 2 medium, 3 high. In conclusion of this video, all banking services score will be added together to pick overall winner. In case you are new to business world, please find time to read some basic business banking terms on screen. POS terminals, staff assisted deposits, BPay, assisted withdrawals, EFTPOS, internet banking, Pay2 and OSCO payment methods, direct debit, recurring payments, electronic banking. Fees-free banking transaction accounts are compared first. On screen is comparison of fees-free transaction account services such as electronic transactions, monthly account fees, online banking, interest rate, debit card fees, check transactions, bank check replacements, single and multi-batch payments, international transactions, telephone banking, overdraw fees, branch deposits, cash handling fees, dishonor fees, and telegraphic transfers. Suncorp Bank is winner for free transaction account with 38 points. Premium transaction accounts are considered secondly. Following services are compared: e-transactions, online banking, interest rate, debit card fees, check transactions, single payments, multi-batch payments, current rewards on offer, staff assisted transactions, business telephone banking, overdraw fees, dishonor fees, business name search, bank check replacement, telegraphic transfers, hourly rate, and physical branch network in Australia. Suncorp Bank is winner with 46 points, followed by Bank of Queensland in premium business transaction accounts. On March 2023, Commonwealth has 3 discount offers, Bank of Queensland 2 offers, and Westpac has 1 offer, with transaction accounts both free and premium as displayed on screen. Free and premium transaction account names are displayed on screen. These names will help you to find them easily on banks' websites. Our third comparison is for best business investment account. Please read on screen reasons to have an investment account for your business. Savings and term deposits are compared. Please read both comparisons on screen carefully. To make it easy for you, I have attached term deposit rates on March 2023 for all 5 banks compared. Please find time to read through. Business investment accounts winner is Macquarie Bank with 33 points, followed by Suncorp Bank. To make it easy for you, I have attached term deposit rates on March 2023 for all 5 banks compared. Please find time to read through. Fourth comparison is general accounting software integration with your bank. This will mainly depend on your accounting software provider. So it is important to consult with your accountant, bookkeeper, or accounting software service provider. If you are new to accounting jargon, please read through some basic definitions provided on screen for you. What is accounting software? What are core and non-core modules? What is bank feed? Why set up a bank feed? All selected banks are compatible with accounting software, so no scoring was given. This mainly depends on your accounting software provider. Please consult with your accountant, bookkeeper, or software provider. We have provided some basic examples of software and services compatible with different selected banks. Please find time to read them. Fifth comparison is merchant and payment systems provided by banks. We have filtered Bank of Queensland out for the reasons depicted on screen. Business mobile EFTPOS is compared against equipment cost, terminal fees, transaction fees, chargeback fees, connectivity, payment methods accepted, and surcharging. Please note that Westpac's EFTPOS Air is only compatible with Android devices. Mobile EFTPOS is suitable for businesses such as trades, food wagons, coffee carts, market stalls, cafes, shops with simpler payment needs, and businesses wanting to get back up device for busy days and system failures. EFTPOS without POS, point of sale, is compared on this screen. Services compared are equipment cost, transaction fees, chargeback fees, connectivity, payment method accepted, surcharging, lock-in contract, equipment not return, damage fees, establishment fees, stationery fees. EFTPOS without POS is normally suitable for restaurants, cafes, shops, market stalls, food trucks, tradespeople, professional service providers. EFTPOS with integrated POS, point of sales, is compared on the screen with same services compared previously with some additions such as establishment fees. Please find time to read through. Aftapos with POS integrated is suited for big restaurants, cafes, big retail stores, food chains, supermarkets. So winner for Aftapos payment provider overall with all three services, that is mobile Aftapos, Aftapos without POS and Aftapos with POS, is Westpac Bank followed by Suncorp Bank with 42 points. Please find time to read additional information to Aftapos payment systems. If you are new to this field, how does integration works is explained on this page. The services offered by Westpac Bank and their charges are put together for you on one page to make it easy for you. These are services offered by Suncorp Bank in relation to payments. These three services are offered by Commonwealth Bank, that is Smart Mini, Smart and Essential Plus. So one is mobile and one is without POS, one is with POS. So that you can see their charges are displayed as well. Other thing I would like to mention is that Commonwealth Bank's website mentions this, that a business should be making more than 250,000 per year for both small and medium and large businesses. So I would suggest, if you decide to open account with them, to consult with them first, because that'll save your time. So our sixth and last comparison is online payments and e-commerce services. Because this is such a vast area to cover, it is not possible to find one solution for all businesses because it is tailored to specific business needs. But we have gathered some information in relation to services provided by our selected banks for e-payments. For example, Westpac provides Payway Virtual Terminal, third-party payment gateway, Westpac hosted Payway API. Please read more details on screen. Commonwealth offer Big Commerce Simplify for small businesses and medium businesses, BPoint and ComWeb 2.0 for large organizations. So Suncorp just charge a flat transaction fees as shown on the screen. So finally, friends, we have reached conclusion. The overall winner will be calculated by adding all final points together, and as shown on screen, the overall winner business bank is Suncorp with 155 points, followed by Commonwealth and Westpac with 122 points. Your business needs may be unique. Depending on your business, you may only need online banking, or you may need branch banking access, or point of sales, merchant services, e-commerce and online payment services differently, or you may need all of the above. So we would like to suggest that for your individual business banking research help, please go back and see specific sections of this video. For example, Section A discusses free business transaction accounts and their comparison in detail. Section B discusses premium transaction accounts. Section C is business investment accounts, that is savings and term deposits. Section D is accounting software integration. Section E, merchant services such as mobile after-POS, mobile without POS, after-POS with POS. And finally friends, Section F discusses a little about e-commerce payments. These will help with your due diligence. Based on our research, we have picked these two bank accounts for business banking, namely Suncorp Bank and Macquarie Bank. Suncorp Bank for transaction banking. The name of the account is Business Premium Account, and Macquarie Bank for term deposits and savings. The name of the account is Macquarie Cash Management Account. Please note friends, this pick is based on our research. This is not a suggestion. Please do your own due diligence before making any decision. If you decide to open account with Suncorp Bank and do need branch access, please make sure they have a local branch in your area. This video is not sponsored by any of the banks discussed. It is only suitable for small to medium businesses. Please do your own due diligence before making any decision. We have attached bank's contact details next for business banking to make it easy for you to contact them. This is supplement information. Suncorp Bank has been Business Bank of the Year for 5 years in a row by Money Magazine Awards 20. Macquarie Bank is a winner Savings Bank of the Year 2022 CanStore Awards and award-winning term deposits. Thanks for watching our video. If you find this helpful, this is not compulsory, but we would appreciate your support and feedback. Thank you.